Introducing the perfect airbed from Brookstone. Turn any space in your home into a comfortable extra bedroom. The perfect airbed features a built-in switch that automatically and fully inflates and deflates the bed easily and quickly. Just plug it in and flip the switch, then safely tuck the cord away in the built-in storage port. This airbed has been specially designed to stay fully inflated while you relax. The ultra-plush top provides contoured comfort, so your guests will sleep well and wake up feeling refreshed. Best of all, the perfect airbed comes with a bonus-fitted sheet and carrying case for easy storage. Available in twin, full, and queen sizes and in 3 heights, 12, 18, or 24 inches. With so many options and extras, there's one that will be just right for your home. The perfect airbed from the innovators at Brookstone.
Our Japanese futons are individually crafted, using the best materials and techniques to guarantee you a perfect night's sleep. These 3-layer futons disperse pressure on the body, making for comfortable sleep even if you have back pain. They also fold in 3 for easy carrying and simple storage, even with a small closet. Use a tatami mat with a futon to adjust moisture, and you will feel cool and refreshed even on a hot summer night. Use our easy-to-wash cover to enjoy your futon as long as possible. Drying your futon indoors or in the sun every day will prevent mold and ticks. FULI futon come in 6 sizes: twin, twin XL, full, full XL, queen, king. Use them on the floor, on a bed frame, or store them in the closet in case you have a guest. These versatile futons ensure a good night's sleep. You will sleep better with FULI product, thanks to the care and effort that goes into making them. To get the most out of your futon, we recommend buying a tatami mat and futon cover as a set. You won't find a better deal. Deliver the Japanese heart.
Easy Inflate's double-high air mattresses provide exceptional quality and comfort at an affordable price. Designed with a high-output built-in pump, the Easy Inflate Queen Airbed inflates in just 2 minutes, while the twin size takes a mere 90 seconds. Adaptive support means you can adjust the bed's firmness by simply adding or reducing air based on your sleep cycle. Durable coil beam construction will hold air and keep you supported throughout the night. Easy Inflate beds are designed to stand up to wear and tear. PVC provides a durable and puncture-resistant shell. Meant to be used with or without bed sheets, the soft top flocking and sides are waterproof and easy to care for. Flat welded seams and true-to-size dimensions mean you get maximum sleeping space with an Easy Inflate airbed. We measure our bed's dimensions from the rounded outside edges. Simply deflate and fold up the bed after using for easy storage and transport. Ideal for out-of-town guests, moving residences, family vacation, or just as a spare bed, the Easy Inflate Air Mattress comes with an oversized carry bag to take it anywhere you need to go. At Easy Inflate, we value your sleep.
Innovating sleep since its inception in 1894, Englander is proud to introduce the first ever fully microfiber flocked luxury airbed. Providing the authentic feel of a regular mattress, you'll never know you're sleeping on air. Designed for exceptional durability, the Englander airbed can stand up to everyday use without deforming over time. Upgraded, reinforced inner coil beam technology promises dependable support year after year. All Englander airbeds come with a built-in high airflow volume pump. This means inflation takes just 90 seconds for the twin, 2 minutes for the queen, and 2.5 minutes for a California king. Englander's supremely soft microfiber covering is not only waterproof and easy to care for, but also provides the optimal temperature for sleeping. Never worry about waking up overheated or chilled again. Plus, microfiber provides more resistance to both puncture and abrasion. Select between brown and black microfiber in twin, queen, or California king sizes. Each air mattress fits regular bed sheets. The twin-size bed features an additional 4 inches of width over other comparable airbeds, providing more stability while you sleep. Englander air mattresses provide unparalleled quality, uncompromised comfort, and unrivaled durability. It's better sleep by design.